The dedicated camera layer allows separate processing of camera feeds. It also provides a few controls unique to this layer type. To enable the layer, you first want to enable at least one active camera in Preferences. Now, all of those cameras you've enabled are available to trigger, mix, and automate just like any other source layer. Only one camera is active in each camera layer. However, you may have any number of camera layers in the stack. If you have more than one camera enabled in Preferences, you may select the active camera using the arrow buttons, or click on the preview to expand the layer. Here, you may assign hotkeys and MIDI notes to each camera for quick access and automation using MIDI sequencers. To activate the selected camera, trigger it using the play button just like any other layer type. The envelope settings will control the transition timing. To automatically switch between all enabled cameras, use the Auto Switch button and adjust the frequency timing. As with all time-related fields, when in BPM mode, you can adjust the switching relative to the master tempo so your camera switches are always on beat.